Uveal reinvents the compost bin. Make compost easily and quickly with the new 3-chamber compost bin from Uveal. No need to shift or mix the compost, as it is completed within the compost bin. Fresh waste is separated from raw compost in the lowest chamber. First, the upper chamber is filled with fresh waste material via a wind-protected and airtight flap, which keeps annoying flying insects out. Waste material is then transferred to the second chamber through the trapdoor. In this chamber, heat increases significantly and waste material volume reduces rapidly through optimal ventilation, which can be adjusted to season. Finally, the easy-access crank allows hygienic and convenient transfer of compost from the second to the last chamber, where the final degrading stage takes place under the action of various ground microorganisms. The raw compost, black gold for gardeners, can be easily collected through the 2 big snap-fit flaps. With the new compost bin Aeroplus 6000 from Uveal, composting has never been so easy, convenient, and hygienic.